Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can resolve the VAC was unable to verify your game session error in CS2 or Counter-Strike 2. Now, you can try several troubleshooting steps, but the most common way to fix this problem is to verify the integrity of your game files through Steam. Basically, if that doesn't work, you can try restarting your Steam, your computer, or the game itself. You can also try running Steam as administrator or changing your Steam avatar and nickname. Now, basically, once again, the most common way to fix this problem is by heading over to the library itself. Go ahead and choose Counter-Strike 2. And from here, you can just right click on the application, click on properties, and then you want to select the installed files. You can just click on the verify integrity of game files, and from there, this will try to verify all the installed files and repair any corrupted files within the application. Now, if this doesn't work, the only thing that you need to do is to completely uninstall the program and install a fresh copy of Counter-Strike into your computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.